Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset REALME C63. Alright, so to reset your device we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system settings. Now, scroll down into the bottom and click on Reset Phone. And now, all you need to do now is to click on Clear All Data permanently. Now again, click on Clear All Data. Now we need to confirm by drawing our pattern. Remember that all of your data will be lost from your device and deleted. But for example, before reset, you can always perform a backup. And thanks to that, you will be able to restore your data in the future. So if you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. So now we need to draw our pattern. Just like that. Now click on Erase All Data. And now the device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.